in the Valley of Fire State Park, and these are the Muddy Mountains behind us. And we are translocating desert bighorn sheep from this area, and we're taking them to Utah. We have a population of desert bighorn sheep that's doing well in this area, but we've experienced some pretty extreme drought the last 2 years, and concerns about the conditions of the range and the forage quality have led us to sort of look into ways to reduce that population. So in the past, NDOW has actually translocated animals from here to other parts of the state, but now we're kind of running out of places in Nevada. Utah got in touch with us about translocating up to 100 animals over the course of a few years for them to start a nursery herd, essentially taking a group of clean, disease-free animals, putting them in an enclosed area that's free from hunting and has ample forage and water, and using that as a source population for them to translocate animals within their state. It might not seem obvious that reducing the population would be beneficial for it, but what we're looking at right now is the potential for hitting a carrying capacity in this area. So, if you have really dry conditions and poor quality forage, or if that forage is just not present anymore, animals are going to be not getting the nutrition that they need. They won't be able to carry a pregnancy or raise a lamb to adulthood. We have 5 guzzlers out in this area, so wildlife drinkers that provide free water for bighorn sheep and other wildlife in the area. But sheep will get most of their water from the vegetation that they eat. So if it's really dry, that's just another reason for them to be reliant on water, and also just maybe expend more energy traveling around looking for more water sources and more nutrition. We'll get a call from the helicopter how many animals we've got, and they'll be in a bag, they'll be blindfolded and hobbled. First thing we'll do is we'll get a weight, and we'll bring them over to the processing table. So the body weight just gives us an idea of their condition, so we'll get an age, and if they have a good weight for their age, it's another way that we can sort of score their health. We'll get them to the table, we'll get a temperature, so that's probably the most important thing right now.
104.6. Yep. What's that?
If we have high temperatures, first thing we do is cool them down. They're going to get alcohol and water on their armpits, leg pits, and we'll wrap them in ice water soaked towels, or even give cool IV fluids if they're running pretty hot. Each animal is getting a collar and an ear tag, so individual identifying number. We're taking blood samples. We're taking nasal and tonsil swabs for pathogen testing. And we're also taking fecal samples so we can look at parasite loads. We're just getting like a whole overall sort of body score, an idea of their body condition and health condition. If we have a herd that's in overall better condition and has more nutrition available, hopefully we'll see more lambs recruited and a slower growth in population that the habitat can sustain.
Okay.
Yep, there we go.
Yeah.